Man, got it washed last night. Oh my God, is it clean? Whoo! Oh, but it's already covered in pollen. Oh, and someone touched it. You heathen. Call it giving into the peer pressure, or call it me giving into my younger self. We're gonna be replacing the taillights. These taillights, let me show you. They look good. They're very Altezza status though, so I figured it's time to move on to a different style taillight. One that's actually like the regular JDM taillights, but also, I don't know if you can see it on camera, there are hundreds of spiderweb cracks in this particular taillight, a few scuff marks, and some pretty deep scratches and lacerations on this one as well. It's just an older vehicle, you kind of have to expect it. Guys, this isn't the last time this car is going to look like this. Now, you guys have seen us do taillights before on this channel. Almost a year ago, we replaced some of the taillights that are in this car. But today, we're installing our JDM taillights. I'm really excited for this because I've been waiting to do this for a long time. I've never seen these, so bear with me. This is a very candid opening. Oh my goodness. Yo, dudes, this thing. Oh, does it even come with its own lights? Oh, if it did, that would make this job so much easier. Oh my God. Y'all gotta see this, hold on. Dude, y'all see this color? And it looks like it does have bulbs in it. Oh my God, it's so red and it's so good. Whew. So you get taillights out. You've done this before, but a quick refresher. It's these 2 bolts, and then you just got to pull on it and it comes out. Be careful of the wires, obviously, because you kind of need those. That's 1 screw. Oh, it's already coming out. This is the second one. We pulled the taillight out. Again, it's really easy. It just slips right out after you got the 2 bolts out. We're gonna unplug this, hopefully without breaking it, because yeah, we have brand new light bulbs inside of our headlamp, or tail light. There we go. Boom. Do you all see the difference? Can we just point this out on camera? Old and busted, new hotness. Actually, technically, this is an older tail light because this is from an Evo VIII, but this is factory fresh, and this one has seen, well, 72,000 miles. So, fresh new reds going in. It's gonna look sick. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. I don't think y'all can fully comprehend how good this car looks now. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. That's so much better looking. You have no idea. Let me just turn the camera around. I gotta show you. Look at that. That looks so much better. That ruby red color, man. Rika indeed. Oh my gosh. I don't think y'all understand why I'm so excited and how excited I am about these taillights. I've been wanting a set of these for months. I mean, you asked Ishmael, I've been telling him as a joke, hey man, you know, why don't you help me out and buy my taillights, bro? Why don't you help me buy my taillights, son?
Why don't you buy my taillights, son?
Finally, I found a place that had them on sale. MA Performance, y'all are great. Y'all came through. Granted, they're a little bit late, but that's because of allocation. They had to get them from Mitsubishi. Fact is, these things, oh, they look so good. And now everyone's gonna really call my car the Pikachu Evo, because I mean, look at it. Just look at it. It's yellow and it's got red lights, something like Pikachu's face. Y'all see this? Now you see why it's gonna be called the Pikachu Evo. Not just because it's got Pikachus in it, but because it actually now has a Pikachu booty. Let me know in the comment section. Tell me, what do you guys think of the new JDM Evo VII taillights? I've been super stoked for that for a long time, so I hope you guys appreciate it for its originality and it's just sticking to the source material, and that is the original JDM market version of this Evo. Otherwise, God bless you guys. Stay tuned because there's another really big upgrade coming to the Evo. I would show you, but I really don't want to give it away. So stay tuned for that. God bless you guys, and we'll see you on another episode. Peace.